Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to unlink Facebook from Instagram. We'll start by opening the Instagram app, then click on the drop-down menu on the right side and then click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on the Account Center option and then click on Accounts. Here you can remove the linked account you want by clicking on Remove. Then confirm the action by clicking on Remove Account. Follow the process in the warning window by clicking on Continue. We finish the action by clicking on Remove Profile. After that, we will see a confirmation message and verify that the account no longer appears in the list. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.